Hey! Hi, hello, welcome back. This week's episode, we're doing something a little bit different. We're making friends. Speaking of friends, I have a friend. His name is...
Daniel.
Daniel, do you watch my stuff? Do you actually, like, sometimes? Okay, well, screw you. Anyways, he had a request to help him build something. Who are we building it for?
A friend of mine. Apparently he's a famous YouTuber.
His name's Philip. I kind of know him. He's better friends, but...
He goes by Everything Apple Pro. So
Oh, if you've heard of him. So
we are gonna take 2 Apple computers and turning it into a bench.
Anyways, yeah, let's get started. We did some progress. All is left to do is actually figure out how to fit the piece of wood in between the computers. It has some curves, some angles there, so we'll figure that out. Are you happy with the progress? Am I a good teacher slash person to work with?
You're kind of pushing it.
Shut up. So, I'm sorry, apologize for that. So, it's a new day. It's just me, Daniel, passed the baton to me, and we're finishing it up. It's not too much, excuse me. There's not much left to do as far as steps. It's pretty much just fine-tuning and sanding. It's a little time-consuming, but it looks good. I hope we're doing awesome, by the way. Kind of a little dusty. Finished the sanding. It looks good. Like I mentioned, I'm making this project and he's giving this to his friend, and it's really exciting to be able to support that in any sort of way. Basically 2 computers and it's upcycled into something that can live forever. So really cool.
Okay, tell me about it.
So I do this thing after I finish all my videos. Till next time, be BeeNeh.
Dude, thank you so much. I know you're the mastermind that made this happen. He's the visionary. Did you actually physically help?
I did. He did.
Oh, this is going to be a treasure for the house to walk in and see it.
Sweet.
Very cool.
Turned out really nice. Good job, Daniel. You did good.
Is it pretty douchey that I have glasses on?
No?